So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Ladies Coin, its price prediction this year, Mega Bullion, and its Binance listing that how long we have to wait more here for Ladies Coin listing on Binance. Is it possible that we can see Ladies listing on Binance in coming few months or no? So it will be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. So fresh ladies current price 0.7 times $03 pumped by just 1% in last 30 days 37% jump, last 14 days 17% jump here. This jump is normal because entire crypto market is dumping. $27.4 million market cap right now, so market cap no doubt is still good because entire crypto market is down, so it's still $27 million market cap is good. $5.5 million trading volume in last 24 hours, so no doubt friends, trading volume is also good. 888 trillion coin supply, all circulation. Ethereum ecosystem meme coin after that launched on Arbitrum ecosystem also, but this is Ethereum ecosystem meme coin. DWF left portfolio investing here. I can see friends, 92% down in its all-time high. That was 13th March 2024. Okay, so exactly 1 year ago, this meme coin was on its all-time high, but right now, the recent market crash, we are 92% down in its all-time high, and still we are 4,100% up in its all-time low. So a coin has already killed 3 zeros since its launching. The no doubt performance from this meme coin is still good. You can see friends, HTX, Bybit, no subset like say listing is already done for this coin, just like Get.io, KuCoin, CoinW has already list, and Get.io, Crypto.com. So Crypto.com, a best central exchange, has already list this coin, but still there's no Binance. But on Binance exchange, different time we saw voting for ladies coin that ladies should be listed on Binance exchange. So friends, definitely this is very good meme coin, and it's also possible that in maybe May or in June we can see ladies coin listing on Binance. 26,000 people has added this coin into their portfolio on CoinGecko. So this is good. FSXC 25,500 holders for this coin. Okay, so 25,000 holders. Number of holders somehow good. Number one wallet has 23.1% of supply. Second wallet is Bybit Exchange wallet holding 16.8% of supply. So this is good. $4.6 million worth tokens holding on Bybit Exchange. And friends, number third wallet is Crypto.com's exchange wallet holding 8.8% supply. Another wallet is Six wallet holding 4.6% supply, that is Get.io exchange. Another here you can see friends, Uniswap, BitGet, MEXC, and Hobby Global. Number 14th wallet is this burned edits. Okay, it's burning very low. You can see just 0.98% supply. Okay, 0.98% ladies coins are also burned. So this is somehow good. Indodex and other central exchange, they're holding this coin. HTXO top 50 wallets are mostly central exchanges wallet. They are holding this coin, but Bybit is the highest holder of this coin in central exchanges. So this is no doubt friends good. There's no any value issue looking here, so it is good. Okay, and this 1% supply is very low, but it's good that 1% supply is also burned here. So friends, now my price prediction for ladies coin is definitely that when crypto market will again recover here, then no doubt we can see its listing on many other remaining central exchanges, and its market cap can reach maybe 10 to 15 billion dollars here. Right now it's looking too far, but friends, it's possible because it's the meme coin and this is crypto market. In crypto market everything is possible. No one was expecting that BTC can come down again to $17,000 range, but friends, we can see okay these level recently that BTC is $78,000. So this is crypto market, everything is possible. So it's also possible that we can see ladies coin to 10 to maybe 15 billion dollars here, and definitely ladies has still potential. S coin has already killed 2 zeros right now since it's launching, so this coin has still potential to kill 3 more zeros here. By the end of this year Mega Bullion, we can see ladies coin with only 4 zeros. It's really possible that ladies coin can reach 10 to 15 billion dollars market cap and can kill 3 more zeros here. What's your price prediction about ladies coin? Are you holding ladies or not? You can must comment down below.